Ni makirima aikari ana Ikuru aria mekuyumiritie gutunga murutani njorua thiini wa thi Peter Tabichi. Riri ihinda riake ria mbere gucoka kaunti ya Nakuru kuma atugwo na ngerenwa eno. Tabichi akiamukirwo na andu hiu nene atongoria a Nakuru o undu umwe na aikari. Gabara munene wa ngari uria urugamirie mihango ya muthenya ya mucii wa Nakuru kwa ihinda. Thutha ucio igongona inene thukuru-ini wa Kiriko mwena wa Rare Njoro kuria Tabichi akoretwo akirutana, atongoria makimugweta ta murutani njamba uria uhotithitie bururi o undu umwe na kaunti ya Nakuru kumenyeka.
Is that Kiriko made Mwalimu Mokaya great. We would want him to remain here. If you want him, help us to make Kiriko better, help us to make the road better so that our visitors, international visitors who come here can appreciate that Kiriko is a great school.
Arutani aria mathomithagia nake ona matinahota kuhitha gikeno kiao kuona umwe wao ni ahotete gutuma thukuru wao umenyekane.
As we welcome you back home and as we celebrate that achievement, I want to say that as teachers you have challenged us to do more, and especially unions. We will not only be thinking about ourselves, we are now going to think even about our children.
Arutwo wake makimugathiriria makiuga ni amateithiririe hanene mathomo-ini mao. Tabichi agicokia ngatho na kuga ngerenwa no ni kumuhotithia gwika maundu atangirahotire gwika makugacirithia miturire ya arutwo o undu umwe na aikari.
Teachers, students, this a win not just for me. Si ushindi wangu, ni ushindi wa wetu Kenya, ni ushindi wa Kenya, ni ushindi wa Afrika. Walimu ni watu wa muhimu sana katika jamii.
Tabichi augite ekuhuthira kigina kiria arahotanire gwika ugaruruku kuri aikari a Kiriko o undu umwe na thukuru uyu.
Ni gikeno ngemi nduhiu na mwago mama aikari aitura ria Kiriko makiamukira mwalimu nguthi thi yothe na uria ureheire to itura riri ngumo endene bururi na Afrika yothe handu ya ruma handu-ini Hakameme TV kuma thukuru wa thekondarĩ wa Kiriko Njoro kaunti ya Nakuru. Letwa ria kwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.